Good evening, everybody. Cash here from Rick Case. Just wanted to go over the vehicle layout. I find it easier to do at nighttime because everything's kind of lit up and a little bit easier to see what I'm pointing out. But on the left-hand side here, this is a Calligraphy Palisade 2026. And on the side here, we have three buttons. Now I'll try to get in here as close as I can. So you'll have the massage seat, which is on the far left. You have a couple memory seat buttons for driver one, driver two. And then down here on the driver's side, you'll have the directional buttons for the side mirrors. And you also have the lock, unlock buttons, and then the window controls, as well as the child lock for the rear seats. Making your way to the panel on the left-hand side, you have your cluster brightness, which is the plus and minus button we see there. You have your trunk open and close. So if you have someone just loading some stuff up for you at a Home Depot or Publix, you can just pop the hatch and close it from the inside. Now, this specific car we're in is a gasoline calligraphy, so they have the idle stop and go off button, which is the A with the circle around it, and you also have the emergency parking brake on the left-hand side, tow button and traction control off buttons there. Making our way to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have all your vehicle settings, cruise control, and lane keep assist. On the right-hand side, you'll have your mode for input for the head unit, and that's your AM, FM, XM, call controls, and audio controls as well. Those two red beams you see flashing, that is the driver attention warning. Now, those actually pick up your eyes, and if you're not looking directly ahead, the vehicle will ping you and say, hey, let's get back to driving and stuff. This is your center cluster there on the driver side, and this is the center stack on the 26 Calligraphy. Auto hold, they kind of move to this area up here on the dash. Drive mode button here as well. On the all-wheel drive variants, you'll have a terrain mode, which if you push down on it, I'll show you guys in another video what that looks like. You have some hard buttons as well: home, map, search, media, seek, track, and then you have the parking buttons on the right-hand side of the dash over here. So the one that's lit right now, that is for the sonar sensors on the car. So this vehicle is equipped with front and rear sonar sensors. So if you want to turn those off for whatever reason, just hit that button, it goes off, and then the camera will turn on the camera array for you. Down here, you have your temperature controls and your heated and cooled seat options. Over here, you have your 100-watt chargers and your UVC button for sanitizing. So that's just a quick overview of the 2026 Palisade Calligraphy. And we'll go through this in a little bit more depth. I'll probably do a little bit more videos like these at nighttime. Again, easier to just kind of see overall on the car. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. 603-858-4511 is my direct cell. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.